guys, welcome back. My name is Chad Jones, and today we're doing a sneaker review. Today the sneakers we're getting into is from Jordan brand, and it's a collab with the Paris Saint-Germain. This is one in a line of many of the Paris Saint-Germain Jordan brand collabs. I don't know if you would call it collab at this point because their jerseys and everything about that soccer team is done with the Jordan brand. So if you call it true collab or not, I don't know. But this is another one of the many lines of Jordans that they've had collabs with, whether it be with the Jordan 6, the Jordan 5, and I can't remember the other one right now, but there's another Paris Saint-Germain Jordan. They have friends and family pairs. They have all types of pairs with this soccer team. So yeah, but let's get straight into the shoe. So this is the box. The box is done in a purple / magenta type color, and then the regular part of the box is done in black. This is a size 9.5 half here today. That was so as you see on the front of the box, it says Paris Saint-Germain. On the front it says Air Jordan 4 Retro PSG. So that's what it'll be labeled. In the colorway, it will say white, Bordeaux, and neutral gray. So that's the colors for it. You'll see the Paris Saint-Germain written in white. You also see the Jordan symbol in white. So as you open the box, you'll see the tissue paper. Tissue paper will have Jordan brand markings all over it. It'll also have, if you look closely, the Paris Saint-Germain little circles on it. So yeah. So after that, you open it up. If you look, once I take these shoes out for a second, you will see that the inside of the box has green on the inside, green and black, kind of like the turf of a soccer field. So I thought that was a pretty nice touch that not many people would notice. It actually is I think it is the grass from a turf field. So yeah. So here the shoes are right here. Small little details. Is the Bordeaux little prints along the midsole, and then you have black, white, and Bordeaux on the outsole and the bottom of the. Then you have the clear airbag as you see on Jordan 4s all the time. You have the black behind the white netting. Then you have this tumbled feel of leather. The leather actually feels pretty nice and plush to it. Then you have the flight tag, which will be Jumpman in white, flight in Bordeaux, and the actual background is black to it. You will get on the tag black and Bordeaux stripes at the top of the tag, which I think is a cool touch. And then 75 on the inside, which must be a player from the team. So if you can name that player, that would be nice. But yeah, I think that's a nice touch and nod to the team that this is supposed to represent. On the inside, the lining is black. It also says Paris in the insole. I can't tell the first word because I don't read French or whatever language they use in there. But you also notice, which I didn't notice this when I first seen them in pictures from sites like Kicks on Fire or Sneaker News, is that the toe box, around the toe box, the guard area, it will be gray. So that's a nice little touch, and it feels not like a suede, more like a nubuck right there, which is a different touch that they put to it, which I kind of like because it keeps the shoe from feeling like it's all formulated where it's only 3 different colors, which I love about the shoe. The laces will be white. There was no extra pair of laces that came with these. The slots will be Bordeaux also, if you notice. And then if you notice too, on the little tag on the shoe, it says Penang. I don't know specifically what that means, but I would suppose that it has something to do with the team. Overall, for the PSG sneakers that Jordan has released, I would probably count this in as probably my second favorite. I like the 5 the most. This will probably fall into second, and the 6 would be last. The 6 I didn't have a problem with, but this one just overall feels like a more wearable sneaker to me, even though the 6 is mostly black, which is cool, but I feel like this gives a little bit of difference that you can't get with the 6. The 5 will probably always be my favorite just because of how classic that shoe looks, especially the friends and family pair. But yeah, this is a really super dope shoe, and it's the leather to it is actually pretty good in quality. I love the quality on it. It's super nice. This overall, what I'm going to give these sneakers, and my new rating scale for sneakers will be 1 to 5 because 1 to 10 is too convoluted to me. I want to keep it on a scale of 5 stars, and I would probably give this about a solid 4 stars on my scale. It's a shoe that you could wear pretty much with anything, as long as you're not blasting with bright colors up top. I could see you wearing either go dark or go light, but not yellows or anything like that. I would probably put mostly me myself. I would probably put blacks and whites with this shoe. You can also get away with, I'd say, a Bordeaux, but me myself personally probably throw black jeans with a white t-shirt with these. But yeah, I'd probably give these on the 4-star scale just because, for one, how wearable they are, how the quality of the material feels, and just I love the model that they choose. I love how they replace the Nike Air on the back with the Paris Saint-Germain logo, the PSG logo. I love how they did the stripes, had the homage to one of the players with the 75 on the inside. I love everything about the sneaker. It's pretty good. I wouldn't give it a 5 just because it's not giving me the most hyped feelings, and that's one I want to reserve for shoes that truly stand out and that make people want to have to try and get them no matter what. I would call this sneaker a cop. I wouldn't call it a must-have. I'll probably say the 5-star rating for the shoes that are the must-haves, but this is one you should definitely try and get if you can get your hands on it. But yeah, this is a nice shoe. This shoe will probably age better with time, actually, than other sneakers that we've seen in recent years. This shoe will, to me, be one of the classics that if you don't get it now, the price is going to raise up on anything from StockX to GOAT to eBay. So I would try and get these as soon as possible if you can, and just either sit on them if you're into reselling, because I only think the price will go up from here. But if you're planning on keeping them and rocking them, I think this shoe will age pretty well, and you'll be able to rock it whenever. There's been shoes in the past where that hasn't been able to happen, such as the Roshi or any shoe sort of like that era that it worked for then, but it doesn't work now. I feel like this shoe will be able to be worn then, now, and in the future. The Jordan 4 is one of those timeless silhouettes, and this colorway to me screams they'll be timeless too. But yeah, this is my review on the Paris Saint-Germain's, giving it 4 stars. Stick around for the B-roll at the end, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna put my Instagram and Twitter down below. Make sure you guys follow me and subscribe to my channel. Hit this video with a like, and yeah, just thank you for watching, and y'all stay blessed. Peace.